Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can cut out like an object in TikTok and like how you can remove the background from it. I just selected a random background here in edits and I'm going to select the next button. Then I am going to select this edit button right here. I will then slide this to the left and select the overlay, and I'm going to use this one as the overlay. Select next. Then you are going to select the cutout button. Make sure you have internet connection because I've been trying so hard to cut it out, but I can't without it, so I'm just going to select the cutout option here. And as you can see, it deleted the background and now you have this really cool edit. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!